Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to blur the background of an Instagram reel. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Instagram application if you're not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go to the App Store, search for Instagram and download it. So once you have opened it up and you have logged into your account that you want to post the reel from, you are going to go and be greeted by this main page. So this is the home page of the application from where we can get started. Here at the bottom of the screen, as you can see, we have all the sections we can access, and what we want to do is go ahead and get started with posting the reel that we want to blur the background for. So to be able to post a reel, you're going to be clicking on the plus button right here in the middle of the page at the bottom of the screen. Click the plus button and select the video or picture you want to post as a reel. So here I have opened up a random picture and a video that I want to post as a reel, and now I can get started with editing it. So basically guys, to be able to blur the background or how many areas of the video that you want, it's very easy, and all we have to do is use this toolbar right here with all the options, and we're going to click this magic effect option right here next to the scissors icon. So click on this option right here. That's going to open up all the effects that you can use, and what you want to use is use the search bar right here. By clicking the search bar, you can search for blur, and from here you can get started with finding any blur effects that you can use. So by searching for blur, as you can see, you're going to have multiple effects that you can try out. So go ahead and find the one that's going to work the best for you. It's going to give you multiple options you can try and add them to your reels, and that's how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.